Have you ever stumbled across Kizicha.com and thought, wow, these deals are almost too good to be true? Well, you might want to hit pause on your shopping spree, because when I looked closer, I found a ton of red flags that are just hard to ignore. First off, transparency is basically non-existent. There's no physical address, no real email, and not even a phone number listed. Legit businesses put that info front and center because they want you to trust them. But that's not all. I checked out the BBB scam tracker and similar forums, and honestly, it's not pretty. People report orders that never show up, or products arriving months late and looking nothing like the cute pictures online. Imagine ordering a stylish coat and getting something that feels like a dollar store rain poncho. And if you want to return it, get ready to pay hefty shipping fees to China, if you even get a reply. So, how can you protect yourself? Before you hit buy, double-check for real contact info. No address or phone? Run. Look for genuine reviews, not just the generic, glowing ones that sound like a robot wrote them. And always pay with something that's got your back, like PayPal or a credit card with fraud protection. Never send money directly or use sketchy payment apps. Also, peek at that website address. Sure, it might have a padlock, but scammers can get those certificates too. Bottom line, Kizicha.com looks like a classic online shopping trap. Trust your gut, do your homework, and remember, if it sounds too good to be true, it probably